everyone, welcome back to our videos. In today's video, I will show you how to send a scanned document as an email directly from the CamScanner mobile app. First, open the CamScanner app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Now either scan a new document by tapping the camera icon or open an existing scanned file from your home screen. If needed, crop, enhance or adjust the scanned pages. When your document looks good, tap the check mark to save and continue. Now select the scanned document, tap the share icon at the top or bottom of the screen. From the sharing option, choose Gmail. You will now be asked how you want to send the document as a PDF or JPEG image. Select your preferred format and tap email again. This will open your default email app with the scanned file already attached. Just enter the email address and add a subject and write a short message if you want. When you are done, tap the send button in your email app. Your document will be delivered instantly as an attachment. And that's it. You have just emailed a scanned document using CamScanner. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.